Coming up on News Live at 6, Winter Storm Landon is here.
From the Citrus TV Weather Center, this is SU's most accurate weather forecast.
Welcome back to News Live at 6. And yes, the hype is real. A winter storm warning has been issued from the National Weather Service. It will go in effect at 10 o'clock tonight and will be in effect till 4 p.m. tomorrow. And this is going to be a real snowstorm, not like what we saw earlier in the week. 6 to 10 inches of snow is possible with this storm, and travel will be difficult to impossible. Later today, when that storm comes and moves through Rochester, the wind speeds are going to go up to a dangerous Fulton and 30 miles an hour, Rochester 35. These are dangerous wind speeds. If you are in one of those areas, you do not want to be outside, which is why the National Weather Service has issued a wind advisory for winds gusting over 55 miles an hour, and that's why the wind advisory is going to remain in effect till 1 a.m. tomorrow. That's all I got in here. I'm going to send it to our Alex Malinowski, who's live on the Citrus TV Weather Deck with more. Alex? It's going to stay at 52 really until midnight, and then by 1 a.m., 2 a.m., we're going to see a 10-degree drop as it's going to get to 43 around 2 a.m. And then after, we're going to see the temperatures go above freezing by around 4 a.m. We'll see it start to get to 31, then 28, and 25 by tomorrow morning. That's when we're going to see the rain start to change over to snow showers. Right now, here's the radar across New York State. We're seeing rain everywhere, but let's take a look closer to home as we see the rain moving through the area. And look how heavy it's going to get throughout the night. It's just going to keep increasing and becoming heavier. As we get towards 10, 11 o'clock, we're going to see those yellow areas. Well, thanks, guys. Well, we will start to see some warmer temperatures the next few days. As we take a look outside right now, it's 37 degrees, but it feels a little bit colder. It feels like 25 due to those winds gusting over about 15 miles an hour. The current temperatures in our area, most of them all above freezing, actually. Binghamton 38, Ithaca 38, Elmira 35. That's why we saw the precipitation that we saw today was falling as rain, not snow. But the real field temperatures are colder than 32, which is why it's still feeling a little bit colder. Take a look at your wake-up weather for tomorrow. It's going to be 27 degrees when you wake up around 8 a.m. and partly sunny. Going to feel like 21. Guys, I'll send it back over to you. Take a look at our 5-day forecast. Tomorrow, high of 29, low of 14, and snow. The snow will taper off throughout the day. Saturday for the Big Duke game, high of 31, low 23, partly cloudy. Sunday with some snow showers, high 34. Monday, high 24, low 14, mostly cloudy. And then the warm temperatures come back for Tuesday as we see a high of 41 and low of 27. Calvin, what's coming up in sports? Good morning, Liam and Ryan. Right now, as we take a look outside, it's currently 40 degrees, but it really doesn't feel like that. The winds are gusting over 40 miles an hour, 20 to 25 mile an hour sustained winds, so it feels like 22. When we take a look at the sustained winds in our area, it's really not that bad, except when you go close to the lake. So places like Rochester, Syracuse, and Fulton, they're sustained winds above 20 miles an hour, and they're gusting over 40. That's why the current temperatures, even though they're above in the low 40s, high 30s, they really feel much colder. Fulton coming in at 20, Rome 30, Syracuse 21, Penyon 26, Ithaca 33. That's really what matters, what the real field temperatures are because of these heavy winds that we're experiencing all over the area. Heavy, heavy rain throughout the day. And look how close snow is going to come right to the Syracuse campus. It's just going to miss it around 2:30 today. So if you go south, you will see some snow. But it will clear out by around 3:30, and then it should be a clear tonight and later today. And the snow map right now, right below Syracuse, they should be picking up anywhere from 1 to 3 to 2 to 3 inches, and north of Syracuse, 3 to 5 inches. So we're really just missing out on that snow. But we could get a chance with it next week. I'll get to that a bit later. Now, the rainy day planner, it's 45 degrees right now, going down to 41, and then 39 around 6. That's all I got for weather. I'll be back with the 5-day forecast in just a bit. Walker, Nicole, back to you for now. Thanks, Tyler. It is really bad out there right now. The current temperature outside is 26 degrees. It started to switch over to snow around 2 o'clock when that temperature got below freezing. And the current temperature in our area, Syracuse 26, Fulton 23, Rochester 24. But as you take a look to the south at Binghamton, we're still above or around that freezing mark. So we're seeing some rain in Binghamton and Elmira where the temperatures are above freezing. Now, a winter storm warning is in effect from the National Weather Service, and it's in effect until tomorrow at 3 p.m. Now, snowfall total, we're expecting anywhere from 9 to 12 inches here in Syracuse, so that is going to make for some dangerous travel. The National Weather Service saying travel will be difficult to impossible, especially during the morning commute tomorrow. The future radar, right now all snow in this area, but as we take a look further south where the temperatures are above freezing, you start to see that mix and the rain. So here in Syracuse, temperatures still below freezing, and they will stay that way throughout the night.